With Pivot Table, you can summarize your sales data and spot trends in just seconds. Select your data table. Then go to the Insert tab. There are two options. New worksheet. Your pivot table will appear in a new sheet. Existing worksheet. Your pivot table will be placed in the current sheet. Select the location for your pivot table. Add the fields you want to include in your pivot table. This way, you'll see the total sales value for each product. If you want, you can also use dates or regions in the rows section to analyze the results differently. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.